Insurance plays a crucial role in providing financial security and peace of mind for both families and businesses. Here are 10 bullet points highlighting its importance. 1. Financial protection. Insurance provides a safety net against unexpected financial losses due to accidents, natural disasters, illness, or death, ensuring that families and businesses can recover without significant financial strain. 2. Risk management. For businesses, insurance helps manage risks by covering potential liabilities, property damage, and business interruptions, allowing them to operate with greater confidence and stability. 3. Health coverage. Health insurance ensures that family members have access to necessary medical care without incurring prohibitive costs, promoting overall well-being and reducing financial stress during medical emergencies. 4. Asset protection. Home and auto insurance protect valuable assets from theft, damage, or loss, safeguarding investments and ensuring that families do not suffer major financial setbacks. 5. Business continuity. Business interruption insurance covers lost income and operating expenses if a business is temporarily unable to operate due to covered events, helping businesses to continue functioning and retain employees during difficult times. 6. Liability coverage. Liability insurance protects both families and businesses from legal claims and lawsuits resulting from injuries, property damage, or negligence, mitigating financial risks associated with legal proceedings. 7. Life insurance provides financial support to surviving family members in the event of a policyholder's death, covering living expenses, debts, and future needs such as education, ensuring that loved ones are taken care of. 8. Peace of mind. Knowing that insurance coverage is in place allows individuals and business owners to focus on their daily activities and long-term goals without constantly worrying about potential financial disasters. 9. Investment security. For businesses, having insurance can make it easier to secure financing and investments, as lenders and investors often require proof of insurance as a condition for funding. 10. Legal compliance. Certain types of insurance, such as workers' compensation and auto insurance, are legally required for businesses and individuals, ensuring compliance with laws and avoiding legal penalties. By providing these layers of protection and support, insurance helps create a stable environment